Found widely distributed throughout forest and woodland areas, the common brush-tailed possum, Trichosaurus belpecula, resides in the hollow limbs of trees of which act as a refuge from weather, predators, and are considered as safe breeding sites. An increase in logging frequency and fire intensity within these habitat areas is, however, causing a reduction in mature hollow-bearing trees, consequently posing a threat to the long-term viability of possum populations, of which are obligate users of these natural structures. With a diet consisting primarily of eucalypt leaves, wildfires through eucalypt-containing forested areas are beneficial to possums as these generate the regrowth of fresh shoots of which the species consumes. In addition to fire, the act of logging can also be advantageous or detrimental to possum numbers by either completely removing or maintaining hollows. A study through the use of 40 cage traps throughout 5 differing properties within a similar area with differing logging and fire intensities has been conducted to assess how these factors affect the relative abundance of possums. A total of 40 cage traps were assembled in differing transects of 5 properties. For 3 mornings at dawn, each trap was checked to ensure a possum was not inside, and if so, each individual was firstly restrained, ear-tagged, and then processed at the same location of capture. The mean number of possums caught per 100 trap nights within each site was calculated. A two-way ANOVA was used to generate p-values along with the means, which can be seen later. As can be seen by this table producing 2 insignificant p-values, logging history and fire intensity did not have an impact on possum abundance. When simply eyeballing the data, however, these results are not as expected. When viewing the mean number of possums in Hagedorn, Burkett and Valmar, it is clear that these unlogged sites in relation to Ergon East and Ergon North, of which had been logged, contain the most number of possums. When viewing this table along with the means which will be seen next, it is obvious that Burkett, which had been highly burnt in comparison to the other 2 unlogged sites, had fewer possums. Due to these findings, it is therefore expected that unlogged sites should have produced a significant results, especially those that had been unlogged and lowly burnt. Findings concluded that neither logging history or fire intensity had a significant impact on possum abundance. There are a number of reasons as to why these otherwise predicted results of there being less possums within properties that had been logged, along with those that had been severely burnt, may have occurred. Firstly, logging significantly impacts possums due to their requirement of hollows. Additionally, when high-intensity burning occurs, hollows are destroyed due to entire trees becoming engulfed in flames. Contrasting to this, when low-intensity burning occurs, only the lower portion of trees are burnt, and so hollows and possums residing high in trees and their branches are often unaffected. Low to moderate intensity burning is considered a key factor in the production of hollows in eucalypt forests. It is suggested that logging should no longer occur, and that a frequent fire regime of moderately intense burning should occur to assist with the future recruitment of hollows. Thank you.